students, in this lesson, we will be learning how to write a paragraph. Now, one thing you should know is that a composition is made up of different paragraphs. We have the introductory paragraph, we have the body paragraph, and lastly, we have the concluding paragraph. So, in this lesson, we will learn how to write a good paragraph. Now, what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences that talk about one main idea. So a paragraph, like I said earlier, is a group of sentence, while a composition is a group of paragraph altogether. But a paragraph is a group of sentence that talk about one main idea. If it is not talking about one main idea, probably it's not talking about two or three things, it is not a paragraph. So a paragraph deals with just one idea, and it is also combined with sentences. Now, the part of paragraph is one, topic sentence. Topic sentence. Like I said earlier, a paragraph is a group of sentence. The first sentence that makes up a paragraph is topic sentence. Now, topic sentence is the first sentence in a paragraph. In fact, it is the sentence that starts the paragraph. So the first sentence you see in a paragraph is the topic sentence. So it introduced to us it introduced to us the main idea that will be discussed in the paragraph. Now, the second sentence is the supporting sentence. So the supporting sentence is examples of facts or details or more explanation of the main idea. Then lastly, we have the concluding sentence. So this sums up all that has been written in the paragraph. Now let's take this paragraph for example. Let's walk through this. Now our paragraph title is My Best Friend. So take note that you would know the name of the best friend and why the writer take the person as his or her best friend. Now let's read. My best friend is Titi. Now you can see the full stop there. It shows that that is the end of that sentence. Now, my best friend is Titi is the topic sentence. I said earlier that the topic sentence is the first sentence in a paragraph. So, my best friend is Titi is the topic sentence. Now, let's move on. She is kind and always help me with my homework. We play together during break time and she loves to tell funny stories. I like her because she's honest and caring. Now let's figure out the supporting sentence. So the supporting sentence gives us more information about the main idea. Now, what is the main idea in this paragraph? It's talking about my best friend. And we've been able to identify the topic sentence, which says my best friend is Titi. Good. Now, what are the supporting sentence? So the supporting sentence are she is kind and always help me with my homework. We play together during break time and she loves to tell funny stories. So this sentence tells us more about the best friend, which is called Titi. Now let's figure out the concluding sentence. The concluding sentence comes as the last sentence in the paragraph. So if you are looking for the concluding sentence, it's actually the last sentence in the paragraph. Now let's look for the last sentence in this paragraph. I like her because she's honest and caring. So this is why the writer decided to make Titi as a best friend, because Titi is honest and caring. So this concludes the paragraph. So we can say that that sentence is the concluding sentence. Now, one thing you should know is that when you're writing a paragraph, make sure you leave a small space in your notebook before you start the first word that makes up the paragraph. Now, if you look at this right up, you get to see the small space before the first word that makes up the paragraph. This small space is called indentation. Indentation. So whenever you're writing in the book, make sure you leave a small space that shows that you started a new paragraph.